Do you need a Sub-Zero treat to help you cool down from those days of triple-digit heat? Then I have the perfect ice-cold beverage just for you. Hey everyone, it's Cody, and I don't know about you, but here in San Diego, it has been so hot. It's been like almost like 100 degrees here at the house. And here in Southern California, no one has air conditioning. And recording this video right now, I have all the fans off, and I am sweating, it's so hot. So we're gonna make a lime margarita. We're gonna use this frozen juice concentrate. We're just gonna pour this into our blender here. We have 6 cups of ice. So we'll just put that in there. Now the best part of this recipe is pretty easy to make because we're not gonna use anything to measure but this can. So we're gonna fill this with some tequila all the way to the top. Oh, so much tequila, but this will be enough for several people or enough for you to have several frozen margaritas. It's so hot, you probably are gonna drink several. So we're gonna do our triple sec and we're gonna do 1/4 of the can. And then we're just gonna pour it in our blender, stick our lid on, and just blend it up. So we'll do about 30 seconds. You'll notice once it all gets kind of like blended up. And then there you have it, frozen margarita. Just pour it in your glass. It's best if you have a glass that doesn't sweat a lot, like a Yeti cooler cup or something like that. Fill it up, and there you have it. An ice cold frozen margarita. If you've had a margarita, then you know what this tastes like. An absolutely delicious and refreshing drink, but because it's frozen, it's even better because of these hot days. It's just gonna cool you down and you're gonna enjoy it so much. Now be sure if you're on YouTube to comment, like, and subscribe, hit that little bell. And for more recipes like this, you can go to my website, cocktailswithcody.com. Until next time, I'm Cody. See you soon.